Hello everyone, welcome to the Survey Diary YouTube channel. In this video series, we are going to introduce about AutoCAD software. So, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided software that allows you to draw digital 2D and 3D designs faster and easier than drawing by hand. This video begins with the basics of AutoCAD. Let's get started. When you start with the AutoCAD, this is how your interface looks like. There are many available versions of AutoCAD. In my case, it is 2018 version which I am using. On this screen in the left you can see Start Drawing panel. This will allow you to select the template that you want. If you want another template instead of the default one, go to the small arrow and click. Then you can see all the templates in AutoCAD. Select the desired template. You can open files or sheet sets by clicking on those. Also, if you want any other template, you can get it online. These are the online templates. This will help you to explore sample drawings. Here you can see the recent documents you have already used and the date they were last opened. If you want, you can open them. In this tool, you can see some notifications about suggestions for improving performances of the AutoCAD. From here, you can connect with Autodesk Cloud account. The files can be easily saved and stored in the cloud so that you can be accessed anywhere at any time. Let's go with the default template. Just click on here. Once you click, you can see this preview. Here we have different parts of the AutoCAD. In this preview, you can see many tools. This is the ribbon area. This ribbon has many tabs: Home, Insert, Annotate, and many more. Here we can see the Quick Access toolbar and the application menu. This is the AutoCAD screen. In here you can see cursor, UCS, view cube, command line and navigation bar. At the bottom of the preview, you can see the layout tabs, cursor position and tools status bar. Instead of those, in the upper right corner you will see an information center where you can get the information. We can discuss more information about these tools in another video. Now let's see how to change the ribbon as you want, how to minimize it and how to make it reappear. If you want to change the view of ribbon, click this little arrow. Then the ribbon will minimize to icons. Click on it again, it will further reduce to its names. Here you can only say the names of tabs. When it is clicked again, it will disappear completely. If you want to go back to its original configuration, click this arrow again. See, this is the original configuration of ribbon. Here you can see all the default tabs. If you want to add another tab or turn off one or more tabs, click on the blank space. Go to Show Tabs. Then you can see all the tabs. Here 3D Tools and Visualize tabs are disabled. If we click on it, it will appear on the screen. If you don't want it, go back to the Show tabs and click on it. Then there is no more 3D Tools tab. Let's talk about panels. You can see many panels in the tab. For example, the Home tab has a Draw panel, Modify panel, and so on. The Insert tab contains blocks, block definitions, and more. If you want to deactivate one or more panels, do the same procedure we did for the tabs. Click on the blank space, go to Show Panels. So let's see how to remove the Modify panel. Now it's gone. To retrieve it, click on the Show Panels and click here. You can see the Modify panel again. Let's talk about how to move panels from the tab to the desired location. To move the Draw panel, click on this area and hold left key of the mouse and drag it. Now you can place it wherever you want. If you want to move it back to the original location, click on the Return panel. Again, you can see the Draw panel in its default location now. Talked about the interface, minimizing the ribbon area, reappearing the tabs and panels, and changing the position of panels. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining with us.